Today is Sammy. It's on the left, and Annie on the right. It's their first day of weaning. You just notice how Annie's playing with that glow-in-the-dark rubber ball. These are the items that we raise them on. On the left, you'll see that red rope ball. Then there's the glow-in-the-dark flexible rubber ball. And then you have the ropes. And between those two white ropes is a brown buffalo horn bone. That's all we raise them on. They won't confuse those with your cushions or your pillows or anything else. They're just scouting around right now, getting used to the new surroundings. They're not even interested in the food.